Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JORAIR 400 replacement filters for the Puro Air 400. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, pretty standard filters. There's going to be two of them. I'm going to just show you what it looks like here, kind of up close, and then we'll install. You'll see kind of your white filtered side on the front, and then your black filter honeycomb side on the back. You will have a little pull tab on the front there. Just be aware, this has kind of got some, go ahead and open it so we can see it a little bit better. You'll see that it's got like a little bit of foam here on the side, and just be aware that, pay attention to what you're doing when you remove this the first time from the, you can actually hear the filter stuff in there. Make sure when you take out your current filter, you know which side is which, so you can plug it in properly. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so changing the process, or the filter, I always like to turn it off first and just pull this back out. Obviously this is the original, and you can kind of see the white side, how dusty it is, how gross it is. So we're just going to go ahead and put the white back in this side facing, and should fit perfectly in. Close it back up, and if you want, you can kind of just make sure that tab is kind of out for easy purposes. Turn it back on. As you can tell, I get a lot of dust in my house, which is why this is so gray, and that's why it's a great fit to transition. Once you do that, you're going to want to hold this down for a few seconds, and that should show you that you're good to go. Your air is clean. This will eventually get to green again, and we'll continue to leave it on automatic and go from there. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.